Okay, here's my chicken. And this chicken was pressure canned in September the 1st of 2016. So it's been pressure canned. It's 5 years old. And I am about to open it. As you can see, I've taken the ring off. And I have the lid still on. The same with this one. I will now remove the lid, the ring that is. As you can see, this is just holding the lid for when you're pressure canning. So here goes the opening. Did you hear it? Nicely sealed. Here goes the other one. You hear it? Sealed. All of it. It's got a little fat, you can see, but that's not bad. That's good. All things are going to have a little fat in. I found my green bell pepper. My chicken. The way I do things is that I first add, when I'm making Fideo, I first add my spices. All of them. They all go in at the same time. I like it that way, and I will always do it this way. You can do it any way you like, because it's for you and your family. And I like for my spices to kind of get a little roasted. Then I go in with my green bell pepper. Then my onions and my red bell pepper. I will rip the bell pepper up. Spices smell delicious. See the smoking? Well, now I'm going to go in with my chicken, broth and all. Here's the other chicken. Now I'm going to add my hot water to it. Right out of my coffee pot. I only brew water. No coffee, just water. And it seems like I'm going to use an entire 12 cups for my broth. My potatoes will go in a little later. Here I am adding my pasta. Blooper. My tomato paste. Without the tin lid right there. Clean the table knife so that I can take all that's left in here, which is quite a bit, as you can see. I don't like to waste. I've said it many times. And people that know me personally know that I don't like to waste. And there's that. And there's this one. And that's that. And here is my tomato sauce. I will add a little bit of water to this. Just to rinse. And break down the tomato paste. See? It looks yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And that's the chicken that I processed 5 years ago. We've been eating from this kind of processing of mine and surviving through everything. And when the world went mad there for a little while, we were fine, thanks to God and the knowledge that He has placed in me, and the thanks I give to my mother and mother-in-law, my grandparents, my grandmothers, that is, and my grandfather, both of them actually. They all taught me how to garden. Both my grandparents taught me how to garden. My grandmothers taught me how to cook. My mother as well. My grandmother taught me how to can. So here I am, and still going on. Thank you, Jesus. Bring you guys back. I'm going to be adding my potatoes. Not very many. I just got 2 large potatoes. We're flying. This is what my sopa looks like. These are the chunks of my chicken that I use, that I can. They are delicious. I always check my cans, the lids on top, to make sure that they are sealed, I'm sorry. And yes, I was thinking about how some of them have been missing. They kind of grow feet and walk out. But that's okay. I know that it's my own. So now we're going to bring this to a boil. And we'll bring you back when it's completely done. And once again, this is La Merita Cocinita. And your host is Merita, myself. These are pinto beans that I processed in June of 2020. You can see. Can you see it? I can't see it. 2020. The same was that one. 2020. These are going to be what we're going to be having as a side dish for the Fideo. The pinto beans. They've also sealed. I think somebody forgot to rotate my beans, because I believe I still have some from 2018 or 19. I'll have to check myself. I'm about to serve my plate of sopa fideo, and see how it's not as soupy as others would probably think, because it's sopa. And these are my chunks of chicken that are coming out, and that's one thing that I could show you once I start processing more chicken for a year or two to come. And here are my beans. You saw me opening my beans. These are last year's beans, which are delicious and very good. And this is going to be served with tortillas and eaten with a spoon. And as you can see, sopa de fideo with chicken and potatoes and pinto beans on the side. And I'm heating up my comal as it is for my tortillas to get heated up. I want to thank you, and I appreciate it, and I hope y'all share this video with your family and your friends, and give me a thumbs up, people, please. I truly would appreciate it. Thank you.